FLOWRiX, the unified solution for your digital and in-store business. In this video, we'll walk you through setting up zone-based shipping in FLOWRiX. Let's get started. Log into your FLOWRiX app. Navigate to Shipping and click on Delivery Zones. Click Add New to create a new zone. Let's fill in the details. Enter a zone name for internal identification. For example, Melbourne CBD. Then select the applicable country such as Australia. Now, choose a state Victoria. Specify the postcodes this zone will cover. You can enter individual postcodes, ranges, and multiple entries. Please make sure the status is set to On. Finally, press Save to create the delivery zone. Next, we will create a catch-all delivery zone. Click Add New again. Select the country, for example, Australia, and leave the state and postcode fields blank. Press Save to create a catch-all zone. This zone will apply to all undefined areas in Australia. After creating the zones, we can set shipping costs for each zone. Let's start with Melbourne CBD first. Locate the zone for Melbourne CBD in the list, and click on the dollar symbol in the pricing column. Enable the shipping types available for this zone. Let's turn on the toggles for Standard and Express. If you wish to offer free shipping over a certain amount, specify the threshold in the free shipping field. Choose a pricing strategy. For this tutorial, let's select Flat Rate. Enter the shipping prices for Standard and Express types. Press Save to finalize. Let's do the same for our catch-all rule for Australia. For the catch-all zone, click the dollar symbol in the price by column. Enable only the standard shipping type because we don't offer express shipping countrywide. Choose Order Percentage from Price by dropdown. Specify the percentage rate. In our case, we set this to 10% of the cart value. Press Save to complete. Understanding how FLOWRiX determines which shipping zone to use. When a customer enters a shipping address, FLOWRiX automatically applies the most specific rule. If a postcode in a shipping address matches with one of the delivery zone, for example, postcode 3000 matches Melbourne CBD, this rule is selected. FLOWRiX falls back to the statewide broader rule if no specific postcode level zone exists in the system. Finally, if no postcode specific or statewide rules are present, then the catch-all rule for Australia is applied. If no catch-all rule exists, the system will display a message: delivery is not available for your address. Only relevant shipping types are displayed based on the applicable zone. If multiple types are available, they're sorted by priority. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and watch tons of cool features in FLOWRiX. Expand your business with the FLOWRiX digital commerce platform. Start your trial today.